Suppose we again want to find an equation of the form y equals a times b to the x, but this time instead of being given 2 points, we're given a graph. What we need to do in this case is use our graph to get 2 points and then proceed as we did before. On our first graph, we can see that there appears to be a point right on the y-axis at 0, 2. There also appears to be a point here at 1, 6, like so. So now to find an equation that we're looking for, we're lucky that one of our points here happens to be the y-intercept. When x is 0, y is 2, that tells us that a is 2. So we know our equation is going to be of the form y equals 2 times b to the x. And to figure out what b is, we can put in 1 for x and 6 for y. This gives us 6 equals 2 times b to the first. We get rid of that 2 by dividing by 2 on both sides, and we're left with 3 equals, and b to the first turns out to be b. So we're not going to even have to take a root or anything on this problem. We already know what b is. So knowing that a is 2 and b is 3, we're looking for the equation y equals 2 times 3 raised to the x. Our next problem is going to have some different steps. Looking at this graph, the only 2 points I can see that this graph appears to fit almost exactly are here and here. So we have the point 2, 3 and the point 3, 2. Now we're looking for something of the form y equals a times b to the x. We don't have the y-intercept at this point, so we can't at this point write down what a is. What we can do based on that first point is plug in 3 for y and 2 for x. That would give us 3 equals a times b squared. Now, for a reason that you'll see in a moment, I'm going to write the next equation above that one. In this case, we would have 2 for y and 3 for x. We would have 2 equals a times b to the third. All right, so now the trick is you always want to have your larger exponent on top and then divide the top equation by the bottom. When we do that, on the left side, we have 2 divided by 3. On the right side, when we divide the top equation by the bottom, the a and a would cancel out. B to the third divided by b squared is just b, and now we know what b is. So we can write y equals a times 2/3 to the x. And now to figure out what a is, we can plug in one of our points. For example, if we plug in the point 2, 3, we put in 3 for y and 2 for x. We would have 3 equals a times 2/3 squared. 2/3 squared is 4/9. Multiply by 9/4 on both sides. And we have 27/4 equals a. So our equation ends up as y equals 27/4 times 2/3 raised to the x.